Good day to you. This is Jose Hooker, and I'm here in Ocala, and I'm about to show you all the features that we have under this beautiful home ready for you. So please take a moment and walk with me. So the first thing that I want to showcase to you guys is this beautiful layout. Okay, this is a beautiful layout where we have garden, 2 windows for each of the living room, family room, as well as the first room of the property. We also have beautiful stone. So we have put a lot of thought into how to make this house beautiful from the outside. Also, this house is situated on a corner lot with about 0.3 acres, so about a third of an acre of this property. Come on. Okay. First thing that I want to showcase is the open concept of this property. This property layout is beautiful, allows for a lot of sunlight coming into the house, and that's a nice feature to have. Another nice feature is the beautiful kitchen that we have designed and put together for the buyers. If you allow me to show you guys, let's start with the counters. These counters are quartz, top of the line quartz, beautiful throughout the property. And this kitchen has actually a kitchen filling to it. So we like to think that. Another feature of this kitchen is the double color cabinets that we have put in place. On top you have white, and on the bottom you have a nice blue color. Okay? These cabinets are top of the line cabinets. They have a feature that's called soft close, where you can just slightly close it and it will close very softly. Another nice feature of this property is the exhaust that we have built into this microwave. Okay, so it's hidden right behind these doors, where if you turn the vent on this microwave, it will exhaust all the odors and fumes out of the property. And once again, soft close for you. Okay, now that we have checked the kitchen or reviewed the kitchen, let's look into the owner's room for a minute. So here we are in the owner's room. Very large room. This is one of the largest rooms in the house. It's about 11 by 12. Very nice size. Here you can see we can fit a king bed with enough space to have a nice stand on each side. So very good. Another nice feature of this house in the owner's room is the double window. Once again, we're putting more windows. That's a nice feature for the buyers. Did not mention, but on every window we have put a window base. It's a nice feature, it's different. That's how we differentiate from other builders. Let me show you the masterpiece in the bathroom. Oh, this also, we have placed a hidden door in the main room as well as the toilet room. Okay, pretty good feature. Large vanities here for the owners of the property. Okay, 2 sinks, nice glass. Once again, quartz top. And this is a massive and beautiful shower with its own glass door, window to allow a lot of sunlight. Sunlight is beautiful in my opinion. Okay. Once again, nice tiles all the way to the ceiling. Okay, and beautiful design. On this side of the property, there is a nice feature that I would like to show you. In each of the closets of this house, we have placed a light for your convenience. It's a nice feature to have. Okay. On this side of the property, we have the 2 rooms. This is the first room. Once again, light in the closet, double window in the front room. This is the bathroom that's being shared between these 2 rooms. And once again, tile in the shower with a nice quartz countertops on the sink. And the window, don't forget about it. So window, a few years ago, just to put a new window on a bathroom, it was about $700 to $800. Okay. In this house, it's already. And this is the 3rd room. Very sizable room for kids, or maybe an office. If you want to work from home, you want to have an office, you can just very well place your desk over here with no problems. Okay. I have an extra feature for you guys to check. Let's come over to the garage real quick. we have built a storage room slash doghouse over here. Come and check it out. And it's under the air conditioning. So here you have it. And it's under air conditioning. Look at the vent. So this is a perfect place for you to keep some items that you want to keep and store, and under the air conditioning. Don't have to pay the storage room outside of the house. Okay. Another feature that we have built into this house is sprinkler system. So you don't have to worry about watering your lawn. So it's automatic, it works twice a week, and it's already set up for you. One of the safety features of this property is the lighting that we have placed around the perimeter of the house. If you guys can show, if you guys can see this, the lights will turn on automatically as soon as you walk by. Okay? And once again, we're sitting on a corner lot for your enjoyment. We have plenty of space in between your house, this house, and the neighbors, as well as in the backyard. You can place a pool, a deck, you can place a gazebo. You know, the choices are unlimited. Thank you very much for sticking with me throughout this video. I really appreciate it. And if you ever have questions about this property here in Ocala, 16302 Southwest Terrace, please reach out. 407-272-6996 is my cell phone. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Have a lovely day.